In this exercise, we will show how to compute deep and azimuth attributes from a steering cube. We open the attribute engine from Analysis Attributes 3D and select Deep Attribute, Steering Background Detail, and Polar Deep for the output. We'll name it Polar Deep. And add as a new. Then we load the 3D horizon to the scene. Right-click on 3D horizon, add, select Demo 1 MFS4 and OK. Then overlay the Polar Deep attribute that we generated on this horizon. Right-click on the Demo 1 MFS4, add attributes, and select the attribute Polar Deep and OK. It will be computed on the fly. The alternative is to process the Polar Deep attribute as horizon data and afterward add it, as we did in the spectral decomposition exercise. We can change the color bar to grayscale and set the scale from 0 to 70. We can save the Polar Deep attribute to the disk by right-clicking on the Polar Deep and save as horizon data. The attribute name will be Polar Deep and OK. Same way, we are going to create the azimuth attribute now. So we'll bring back the attribute set 3D and the output change to azimuth and the output name as well. We will call it azimuth. Add as new. Then we will display with the right click, add attribute. We select azimuth and OK. It's computing on the fly. We can change to grayscale. This concludes this exercise showing how to compute deep and azimuth attributes from a steering cube.